create a table in SQLite is really easy. To start, you need to open the browser. If you don't have the browser in your computer, I have other video where I show you how to install. You need to click the button Create New Database. You need to pick a folder, name your file, and save it. When you finish, you will see a window like this. Here you can create your table. You need to create the title, and later you can start to add the information. While you are creating the table, you can see that it's showing some code. With this code, you can create a table for your own. If you are using the browser to create a table, it's not really necessary, but it's important to know how to use it. Depending on your selection, the code will change. You can select the type and you can pick text, integer, or whatever you want. If you select a new option, more code will be added. And you can use later to create on your own. Here we are creating the rows. The columns will be added later. How is a fast video I will create only for rows, but you can create more if you want. When you finish your table, you will notice that several lines of code are created. You can see here that our table is ready to use. If you select the Browser Data tab, you can add more information or edit the information that you already have. If you want to add the columns, you need to click New Record, and you can add the information. These are the basic things that you need to know to create a table with the browser. If you want to learn how to create a table with code, continue watching the next videos.